Ready to completely wipe your WordPress site from your Hostinger account? Let's get it done. First, we need to access your site's files. Log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the file manager. Once inside, locate the public_HTML folder. This is where all your website's core files reside. Select all the files and folders within the public_HTML directory. Be thorough. Then click the delete option. Confirm the deletion to remove all your website's files from the server. Now, let's tackle the database in your Hostinger control panel. Find the databases section. You'll see a list of all the databases associated with your account. Identify the database that belongs to the WordPress site you're removing. Click on the option to manage or access that specific database, and then look for the delete database option. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Finally, to ensure a completely clean slate, we'll remove the domain association. If you no longer intend to use it with Hostinger, navigate to your domain settings and locate the domain linked to the website you just deleted. You should find an option to remove or unlink the domain. Click on the Remove Domain option and confirm your action. This detaches the domain from your Hostinger account, completing the full removal process for your WordPress site.